How to Hide Your Followers on TikTok 2026 Guide. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your followers on TikTok and keep your profile more private. If you don't want others to see who follows you, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now, look for the option called Following List. Tap on it, and you'll see two options, Everyone and Only Me. To hide your followers and following list, simply select Only Me. This will make your follower list completely private, so no one else can see who you follow. Also, if you want extra privacy, you can turn on Private Account from the same privacy section. This ensures only approved followers can see your content. And that's it. Your TikTok followers list is now hidden. Quick tip, TikTok updates its settings often, so if you don't see this option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.